Hi there, welcome to Pack Expo Connects. I'm Mike Melsmone with East Enterprises. Today we're going to be talking about our VS1620 combo unit. If you have any questions online, please feel free to type them out. We have people on the line to help answer those questions. If there's anything at the end, I'll be sure to answer those as well. Again, today for the VS1620, we're really excited to showcase this unit. We released it about a year ago now, this particular style. This 1620, if you're familiar with our 1620, before it was a hot wire, hot band where we had the seal bar at the bottom. We've done a lot of R&D and have now been able to offer the hot knife version. So our ever so popular mushroom insert, we've incorporated that with this design on the top ceiling head here. So this is one of the biggest features that we have, and we'll trust that you'll like it, love it, and want to buy it. So again, on the 1620 here, the 16-inch on the cross seal dimension and the 20-inch on the front seal. So that's going to be wide acceptable range for your products of different sizes and shapes. We're going to go over some of those changeover things and what to do on this machine. But again, the hot knife is one of the biggest selling features that we have here, as well as the unibody frame. The unibody frame here, you can see it's all one frame welded together. We have our sealer and our tunnel, very portable for you and your production floor. This unit will come with casters, leveling legs, so if you need to maneuver around, switch to different product lines, we definitely can get that done with this unit here. Let's start out with just running some packages. Today, we have some potatoes. So in the market we've seen where, especially in the COVID situation we have now, is that people going to the grocery stores, they don't want people touching their product before they get it. They want to know that it's safe, secure, and protected. So we have some polyolefin film here, and we have potatoes in some trays. So what I'm going to do is pull it from the product tray table area into the seal bar. As you can see, it's sitting nicely in here. Everything's aligned for this particular package. Again, we're going to go through some of the adjustments here. And all you have to do is simply pull down the head, and the machine's going to do the rest. She'll take it away, enter into that chamber in the tunnel, shrink down that film around that product, and it'll come out looking beautiful. I'll run another one here for you so you can see just how easy it is. Again, your operator is going to load your product on your product tray table, slide it into the seal area here. I'll do one-handed pull down. You hear the clamp of the dual action magnets there. It's going to take it away and go into the tunnel and shrink that film around that product. On the back end, we'll see it here. As you can see, it adds that nice finish and protective coating around there. So again, the produce, now people in the stores aren't going to be sneezing and coughing on there. And you have a complete seal all the way around. On the tunnel, we have a live roller. So that's going to finish up nicely on the bottom here. It's not going to leave some striations. So in this particular unit, we have that live roller conveyor. It's really going to give you that smooth finish for retail-ready packages. So now that you know and seeing just a product run through the system, let's show you some of the ins and outs, the features, the benefits of the unit itself. So we'll start at the front end, work our way back to the end. So we'll start at the film rack area. So the film rack itself, a very heavy-duty industrial film rack. You can see on the bottom, if we come underneath here, Andy, where the film is loaded. This is an easy cradle to lift on and off with one hand. Look at that, how easy it is. Put it back in the cradle, you're ready to rock. We also have the easy thumb screws here for adjustments. So if you have different film widths, give that a turn, it goes in and out. You can fit up to about 18-inch film width in here. After the film is strung, this is center folded polyolefin. We'll make sure that center fold is in the back. We're going to come up through. There's a rubber roller here, and you can see these two little black things. What are these for? These are pin perfs. They're going to introduce little pin perf holes into that film. That's going to let that air evacuate from the film as it goes through the tunnel to really shrink down on the product. After that, we're going to come up to our product tray table here. As you can see, this kind of diving board platform here, we have it. The film is going to go above and below it. So you can see from here now your film is split. So all your operators are doing is putting your product in and shazam, you got it. We'll make it the default bag to show you the seal and that integrity are all important for this hot knife seal bar. So as you can see, I don't know if you can get this or not, but there's a nice industrial, really thick seal here. This is going to give you that strengthening of your product as it goes through the tunnel and make sure everything is secure. Getting the little pin perfs in here. You can't hear them, obviously, but they're there. The mushroom insert. You know, I talked a little bit about the hot knife. It's been a big thing for us and a market need for us. One of the feedbacks on our previous version was that can we incorporate the mushroom insert? Well, yes, we can. We have this mushroom insert, as you can see from the profile here. Nice profile here and the cutting rule in the middle. The other thing that this hot knife seal bar does for us is we can introduce other seal bars that we have. We have a pancake insert. So if you need that thicker seal, you can see the profile, and here's a more squarish. We can make a thicker seal for you. If you need a little bit thinner seal, we have that as well. We have an arrow insert here. So it's, again, you can see the profile in the end, a little bit thinner, cutting rule in the middle. So there's a lot of different options, a lot of flexibility within this seal head, within this hot knife system now. We're not just stuck with that band at the bottom. We also, of course, have that band. So if you need that, we have that available for you too. Coming from the seal area, the mushroom insert will come down to the controls of the unit. For the seal bar itself, we can see the big magnets here. What that's going to do is really lock that in. As you can hear it slam down, that's going to pull the seal bar down and get that nice pressure that you need all the way across the seal bar. Nice soft sponge rubber in there. Again, we'll listen to that again. It's going to take it away, and the product's going to go. On the options down here, we have our seal bar timer. That's going to be how long you want it to sit. The takeaway timer is going to be how long this conveyor is activated to pull your product in there. We also have now 2 digital display thermocouples here to show you what temperature you need to be at. So obviously with different films, different thicknesses, we have polyolefin on here. You can run some polyethylenes, PVCs, but you'll be able to dial that in with these controls here. The other nice feature that we have is an on-off switch. Well, why would we need an on-off switch for this unit? Well, if you don't want this hot all the time, say you have a break, say you have a lunch break, longer break, we can just turn this off, and now we're not wasting energy. We can conserve our energy for the seal bar. Turn it back on, we're ready to go. So you can see they're firing up here. Some of the adjustments on here would be just a simple, again, kind of easy turn knobs. Underneath here, we have a little thumb screw. We can slide this product tray in and out depending on that width of your product. We have the whole seal head frame with this knob down here. We can adjust our width for making sure that that product is going down the center line of your tunnel to get the even quality shrink that you need. So again, easy little clamp to use right here. Now, as far as that height adjust, okay, well, we want our seal line to be right center along that package for, again, that nice crisp look. We have a hand wheel down here, easy to turn up and down. What that's gonna do is bring that seal line so it's centered within your product. So again, this unit portable on casters, leveling legs, easy operator adjustments for product changeover. It's all compact design within this unit, easy to adjust. Let's move over to the tunnel. The tunnel itself, as you can see, the little transition roller for smaller products here. Tunnel chambers on here are gonna be 16 inches wide, about 7 inches tall, about 24 inches long. You have 4 directional airflow in there. So again, the fan motor is gonna hit your product and that film all around the sides to get you that even shrink. Everybody knows as far as shrink and the properties you need, we kind of touched base on here, heat, time, pressure. Well, we have the same adjustments on the tunnel to really dial in that shrink to make sure that the shrink is optimal for that film that you're using around your product. We'll look down on the control panel down here. We have all the necessary adjustments here. Right here, we have our heater, our different blower velocity speeds, conveyor speeds, easy adjustable right there. On-off buttons for the conveyor and blower, and obviously our main on-off switch. Another good feature, safety feature that we've added is the e-stop. So bright yellow, red knob there. So if something happens in this particular unit, we can hit that e-stop. It's gonna shut down that conveyor, make sure that we don't have any other moving parts that we need. So coming across to the back end, you'll see we have a little transition roller here. What that's gonna do is help take that product out of the tunnel onto your next process, whether it be a table, conveyor, it's gonna get it outside that tunnel. The other thing that we do at EC as far as the quality built is that we don't have a single layer. We have a dual layer film curtain here. What that's gonna do is really keep that heat inside that tunnel. So again, so the main features, benefits, this unit is compact. It's all in one design. It's all unibody frame construction. Relatively light at 750 pounds to maneuver around. Casters are easy, smooth to glide. We're gonna do some product changeover now. We did some potatoes for protection. Let's switch over to some coffee. Who doesn't like instant coffee? Well, my grandma still does, so we'll put that in here. So you can see it's not quite set up. So what are you gonna do? We're gonna move this over just a little bit. On the film side, we'll say the film's not over enough. It's easy enough to move that film over on the back with these thumb screws. And we can shift down, show it here how easy it is if you have a little bit. We can move this whole film and slide it over. Loosen these thumb knobs, slide it over so where you need it, and there you go. Very elegant design, very easy to use. Slide this into the table. Make sure that your film is around here. Make that bag. I'll run another one here for you. 2-pack of coffee, retail ready. Let's put this on here. Put it on the tray, push it through here. Oh, what's this? The height's off a little bit. Let's move that down. Easy peasy, just like my 2-year-old says. Bam, in we go. It's gonna come out of this tunnel looking very nice. Again, the retail ready, the unique design, the easy changeable factors in this. As you can see, perfect, look at that. Seal line right in the middle, 4-sided. Nice clean package it gives you. Let's do another product here, just to show you some different things. Disinfecting wipes. Who doesn't need that right now? Everybody needs these things. We'll do a 2-pack. Put this in. Oh, well, we need to adjust this. Easy enough. Slide this over. Make a first bag here. Make sure that everything is aligned. Seal that up. Now, push this in. Again, this is a different height, so it's easy enough to adjust down a little bit. Product's in there. Move this in. So it's going down the center line of your tunnel. Pull this down. Head's gonna go. It's gonna take it away. Go again. Let's do that one more time. Disinfecting wipes. Everybody needs them. Put them in, all set up. Pull it across into your seal area. Pull your seal head down. It's gonna take it away into your tunnel for the shrink. I'll pull it out here on the back end so you can see what a beautiful product this is. Shazam, look at that. Perfect. So again, just to reiterate, you know, this combo system, all one frame, hot knife seal head. Again, we've been asked for this for years, so we want to make sure that we key in on this hot knife, the flexibility, the versatility of this system, the different seal bars you can get. Again, the sealing head is on top. It's always hot. It's always on, unless, of course, you turn that off. But we're going to have this ready and available so your operators can go make bags, get them out, get them through the tunnel. You know, we say the rate on this is about 10, 12 packages a minute for this manual style system. Again, we readily stock these, so we have these available for your needs. Quick turns, pricing is there. We have that. Questions on voltages we get. These are come standard at our 220 single phase 30 amp systems. So again, it's the same voltage requirements as the other 1620 hot band. One plug-in, one power source, easy to plug in, use to go. Comes with a 10-foot power cord as well. So you put that plug-in on and you're ready to rock. We'll do one more switch over here on a little wider product for you. First aid kit, always important. We'll put this in here. Adjust the product tray over. So you can see the 16-inch by 20-inch seal bar there again. Make that first bag to make sure that seal line's there. Cut that. Ready to go. Slide this in, easy peasy. Do we need to adjust for height? No, we don't. Do we need to adjust for the width? A little bit. Easy enough to do. We're gonna go, pull the seal head down, and away we go into the tunnel. We'll come through the backside and see what that looks like. Again, the versatility of this unit, the compact design, the hot knife seal bar, this is what you're getting. Perfect seals, nice shrink, even shrink, adjustable, portable. So if you have any questions about this unit, any other pricing for this, any other lead time issues, applications that you have that's gonna wonder if it's gonna go through here, we're here for you. Reach out to us, our DSMs. We're always here for you to answer questions via email, via phone call. But again, thank you for visiting us today. EC, www.ec.com. Thank you very much.